Kumu template 4, sketch mode. Oh, by the way, I updated the template so that if you go from introduction to blank, it automatically sets it to edit view. And you can rename the map itself here if you choose to, which probably you don't want to call it blank, you want to call it something, but you can rename it. I previously talked about creating the model in the standard mode of operation. There's a different mode called sketch mode. Sketch mode makes Kumu about as fluid as a pencil and paper, though with a much better eraser. And notice that if you're in sketch mode, you get the little note down here reminding that you're in sketch mode. So, and edit, instead of a plus sign, it turns to an edit or a pencil, so you know you're in sketch mode. The difference between sketch mode are very subtle but very useful. If you mouse over an element, it automatically turns into, instead of holding down the Alt key or the Option key, to drag something and then go ahead, and this is a new element. All right, so you can do that very rapidly as you see fit, without having to add or actually hold down any other keys. You can just draw and connect. And if you mouse over a connection, you can go ahead and reposition them, which makes it very easy. Though, because the default is to draw a connection to another element, if you want to move an element, then you have to hold down the Alt key, and that will change the pointer. Notice it's currently this plus sign, meaning you want to add something, but if you hold down the pointer, there's a difference in the shape of the cursor, so you know you're doing something different. So that's really the difference between the sketch mode and the normal mode, in that it depends upon which way you're comfortable doing it. I personally find that I use the sketch mode more than anything else, and I map out the elements and I actually set the bits and pieces, the types on them as I go, using the pencil, or the toolbar, which I'll talk about in the next video. Though I usually, once I create things, all right, I can then go ahead and add a description. I could set the type here, but the pencil is much more convenient on an ongoing basis. And oftentimes, I just sort of map out all of the elements and the connections, and then I add the loops, and then I go back and add the descriptions for the pieces that I want descriptions for, as opposed to slowing me down in the actual creation of the model itself, because it's the model, the relationships that I'm thinking about, that I want to capture what I'm thinking about, those, how things are related to each other, and then I'll do the other pieces later. So hope this helps. And to get out of it, you can simply click here or hit the exit or the escape key, and it will take you out of I clicked the wrong thing here to get you. What is this? Exit. There, now I'm out of it. Sorry, I was clicking on something that I shouldn't have. So hope this helps. I'll see you in another video very shortly about the toolbar, which is a real neat addition to Kumu.